Challenge your speed and endurance with the SFT7874 Performance Treadmill with Auto Incline by Sunny Health and Fitness. Powered by a 3-peak horsepower motor, this high-performance treadmill can take users from 0.6 to 11 miles per hour with ease. Comfortably elongate your stride while enjoying the impact-reducing shock absorption system of the roomy tread deck. Increase and decrease your workout intensity with ease by utilizing the quick select buttons or handrail controls to move through 15 levels of automatic incline and various levels of speed. The unique 7-inch dashboard display with workout variable icons provides a user-friendly workout tracking experience, along with 14 different preset programs and 3 custom workouts for users of all fitness levels. Grab the easy-to-reach pulse grips while exercising to track your heart rate in real time. Plug your favorite smart device into the motorized treadmill via the auxiliary port to play your favorite music as you exercise. Feel safe and secure with the soft drop system and safety clip attached to the sturdy frame that supports up to 285 pounds in user weight. After you finish your workout, utilize the thick transportation wheels and foldable frame for simple storage. Perform your best with the Performance Treadmill with Auto Incline by Sunny Health and Fitness.
The Pacer by LifePro will break all of your expectations of a treadmill experience. The Pacer is easy to assemble. You'll have it out of the box and ready to use in 3 minutes or less. Monitor your heart rate on the hand grip or with the separate chest belt sensor to help ensure you're running at the perfect pace for achieving your exercise goals. It features a large, yet thin, white LED display, as well as convenient holders for tablets, smartphones, and water bottles. 36 preset programs give you a variety of workout types and lengths. Aux connection enable you to experience interactive workouts. Powered by popular running apps on your tablet or smartphone, apps can control the Pacer's speed and incline to mimic outdoor running conditions. The Pacer can auto incline and reach levels of up to 12 degrees and speeds up to 9.9 miles per hour. 6 hybrid shock absorbers provide incredible running comfort, and the Pacer's fold-up design helps you save space between workouts. Building a better, fitter you has never been easier. Order your Pacer treadmill today.